Hi, Troy Pefferly, Fun Factory sensorygym. I just want to take a minute today and thank all of you for your wonderful, wonderful words of encouragement for our last video post, which I believe was me just working at my desk. And I can't tell you how much it means to me and how much easier it makes me missing Saturdays with my kids while they're off doing things, and I'm trying to get things organized between our road crews and everything to be back en route on Monday morning, even though a lot of them are still out there in everywhere from California to Oklahoma to Florida today. But so many people with their, God bless me and everything else. I just want to say, God bless you and thank you, because those words of encouragement make it so much easier for me to do the things I need to do. And as a parent who has 12 children and raised two on the spectrum, I totally understand it from every angle. God bless you. Yes. Jolene? I thought I heard my little girl. What you do is you help me help thousands of you, help millions of children. And my parents, I know what it's like waking up at 2 o'clock in the morning for a child who needs to use the bed as a trampoline. I know how far you go, and I'll go equally as far to help you help them. It's truly my mission. It's not a sales thing. Every parent